At Trueline Media, we have created hundreds of explainer videos for leading brands. We pay a lot of attention to the key components of explainer videos. Scripts are the backbone, built from thorough research to highlight your core strengths and align perfectly with your goals. For the background score, we handpick music from premium platforms to match the video's pace and style. Infographics are our specialty. We carefully select vectors, icons, and graphics from extensive library, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve and relevant for years. We infuse fresh animation styles into every video, bringing a unique flair to every project. Our wide selection of voiceovers ensures clarity, impact, and brings your narrative to life. Finally, we ensure a consistent theme, weaving all elements together for a cohesive and engaging experience. Contact us now to create an explainer video today.